Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make a giant version of my favorite Christmas cookie, the peanut butter cookie with the Hershey Kiss on top. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. So the first thing we need to do is start off with a very large bowl, and to this we're going to add 4 cups of sugar. That's a lot of sugar. Next we're going to add 4 cups of peanut butter. I'm using creamy peanut butter here. So that worked out to be about 1 40-ounce jar of peanut butter. Now we're going to add 4 large eggs. Now just mix. And we're going to use this because it's the biggest pan I have to put the cookie on. So I preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we have our pan here. I covered it with some parchment paper. Now we're just going to take our cookie dough and pour it out on there. Pour out our cookie dough onto our big pan. Try to make it as round as possible. Now I don't like having the fingerprints on there, so I'm going to get some more parchment paper and see if that will help. Kind of spread it around. There you go, that's pretty good. Now we're just going to bake this in the oven at 350. I'm not sure how long it's going to take, but at least 20 minutes I would say. While that's baking, we have to get our Hershey Kiss unwrapped and ready, and we need to find a very large Hershey Kiss. This wasn't large enough, so I had to go to the next best thing. This one. This one I think is large enough. Get this thing unwrapped. It's nice and ready. Now all we gotta do is wait for our cookies to get done baking. All right, it took 45 minutes and I might have overcooked it a little bit, but it'll be fine. I do want to let it cool a little bit before I put my giant Hershey Kiss on it. Typically you would just put your Hershey Kiss on top of it as soon as it comes out, but I'm talking about the regular size cookies. The problem here is this giant Hershey Kiss is hollow, and if I put it on there when it's smoking hot, there's a chance that it can melt enough to where it falls apart. And I'm going to let it cool just about 5 minutes where it'll still be hot, and then I'll put the Hershey Kiss on there. So after letting it cool just enough, it's still warm, we're going to put on our giant Hershey Kiss. Put it right in the middle. So the heat from our cookie, it's still warm, but it's not smoking hot. That little bit of heat that's left is going to melt the bottom of this Hershey Kiss a little bit just so it'll stay in place, and we're going to give it about 5 minutes to do that. Now it's time for the taste test, and I think I'm just going to break off a piece of it and take a bite. So let's get a good piece of it. I think this is a good piece. And kind of rub it in the chocolate to get a little bit of that giant Hershey bar. This is delicious. I don't know how I'm going to prevent myself from eating this whole cookie because I love these things. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this giant peanut butter cookie. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, you get new videos all the time. Write in the comments below, tell me what your favorite Christmas cookie is. And until then, I'll see you next time. Put our dough. So I preheated my oven to 350, and I covered it with some parchment paper. That's what it's called. The chocolate peanut butter. No. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Hey everyone, I said also too many times.